G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm gonna unbox the brand new Vitamix Personal Cup Adapter. It's been a long time coming, so I'm happy to share it with you today. So this Vitamix Personal Cup Adapter includes two 600ml blending cups and a blending base. Now this unit is compatible with any Vitamix Classic Series model. So if you have a Vitamix Total Nutrition Center, an E310, an E320, a Pro 300, 500 or 750, or a Vitamix Aspire, then you're gonna be able to use this with your existing blender, which is pretty cool. So let's unbox it and have a look. Firstly, we have some lids. I'm gonna unwrap this all real quick. So the whole package includes your blending blade base, two 600ml cups, and they can be turned into travel cups because you get a lid with both. This is the blade base. It's a little bit clunky looking, to be honest. I believe they have this big, large plastic part around the blade base just for safety. And it's also so it can be compatible with the classic motor bases. So I'm gonna make a recipe in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna make a salad dressing. That's the main reason I use these 600ml cups at home. But they're also perfect for smoothies. You can make a small 500, 600ml smoothie in there and take it to work on the go, put your lid on. So blend straight into the cup. This is also double walled, it's insulated, which is great, so it's not gonna sweat. So I fill this cup up with my ingredients. I get this blade base and put it on upside down like so. And then I turn it over and put it onto the motor base. And then I can just blend. And then when I'm finished, I just untwist, take it off, put my lid on. I store my salad dressing in the fridge, or you can take your smoothie straight to work. This is all dishwasher safe, so you can put it in the dishwasher, not a problem. So it also includes this little start here recipe book, which is pretty cool. It's got a few recipes in here, shows you how to pack your blending cup correctly. You want to put the ice and frozen ingredients at the bottom, and then your liquid ingredients on top, which is the opposite of how you'd usually pack it. And then you've got some really nice little recipes in here. I've got a banana blueberry orange smoothie and also an oil-free sesame ginger dressing. So the Personal Cup Adapter comes with a 3-year warranty in Australia, which is great. These are available online on our website right now on rawblend.com.au. So if you have a classic Vitamix model and you'd like to get into personal blending, then this will be perfect for you. Make sure you stay tuned for my salad dressing recipe next. And if you've got any questions, please hit us up on the comments below. Happy blending.